French fries. I'll first start by scraping off the outer layer of my potatoes. If you have a scraper, you could use that. I don't have one, that's why I'm using a kitchen knife. Please check the description box below for a full or detailed recipe. Now I'm going to cut out the potato first like this to give the potato a base, so that when I'm going to slice, it's not going to move. So I'm going to slice it in these wedges. Now I'm going to stack them together and I'm going to cut them out in stripes, thin stripes. The thinner your potato stripes, the crispier it gets. And I'll repeat this for the rest potatoes. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. And for those who have subscribed, thank you so much. Your support means a lot. Now I'm going to wash this with water, cold water, to remove the excess starch. Next, I'll pour sugar into a bowl and add warm water, and then allow the sugar dissolve in the warm water. And I'm going to soak the potato in the water for 15 minutes. This creates a fluffier fry, and this also prevents potato from sticking together. After 15 minutes, I transfer the potato to a tray with paper towel, or you could use your kitchen or tea towel, and I'm going to dab or pat the potato, pat them dry with a paper towel. You can also use a kitchen towel for this. These are ready. Now I'm going to blanch for 2 minutes, not frying. This produces crispy fries. And after 2 minutes, I'm going to transfer this to a tray with layers of paper towel, or you could transfer it to a tray with layers of kitchen towel. And I'm also going to pat them dry for about 10 minutes. If you're making potatoes in large quantities, I use a kitchen towel. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Next, I'm going to slightly dust my potatoes with cornstarch, or you could use corn flour. You could also use potato starch, just to create an extra crispy fry. Now we'll fry it. We fry it till golden brown until it's crispy. If you're making potatoes or potato fries in large quantities, don't overcrowd your pan. Give it space to fry well. Now these are ready. I'm going to transfer them to a tray again with layers of paper towels to drain out excess oil. I'm going to prepare the seasoning. For my seasoning, I just added my black pepper, salt, and chili pepper. You can customize your seasoning the way you want. I'm going to sprinkle that on my fries. My fries are ready. Pair it with whatever sauce you like. I'm pairing this with sweet chili sauce. Enjoy. Please remember to subscribe. See you next week.